So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to get Pluto TV on any television, Smart TV, Roku, Fire TV and casting. So method first is on a Smart TV like Samsung, LG, Sony and Vizio etc. Turn on your TV and press the home button on your remote. Navigate to and open your TV web store like Samsung App Store, LG Content Store, Vizio App Store or Google Play Store. Select the search icon and type Pluto TV. Select the official Pluto TV app from the select or search result. Click download, install or get. Once installed, select open or launch it from your TV home screen. Second fix is using a streaming device like Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV and Chromecast. Plug streaming device into an open HDMI port on the TV. Turn on the TV and press the input or source button on the remote to select the HDMI port. Use the streaming device remote to navigate to the app channel store. Roku, go to streaming channel and search channel. Amazon Fire TV, go to find and search. Apple TV or Google TV, open the app store. Search for Pluto TV and select it. Choose add channel, get or download. Open the app from the device home screen. Third method is casting from a smartphone or tablet. Connect your TV and phone to a same Wi-Fi network. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Search for the install and the free Pluto TV app. Open the Pluto TV app and start playing any video. Tap the screen to reveal content. Then tap the cast icon. Then select your TV to streaming device from the list to display your video on the television. Thanks for watching.